Hi. Hi. I was tagged by Ate Aya, and I haven't made any videos because my Logitech webcam broke. And so here it goes.
Who's your favorite Filipino celebrity crush?
John Krabs.
Just ask a question.
Magbigay ng isang nakakayang pangyayari sa iyong buhay.
Ano ako nun, elementary ako. Tapos, kadadating ko lang sa US. Hindi pa ako marunong mag-English nun. So, nata-dance ako.
But you're so good!
Okay.
My gosh!
Nautot ako.
My God! Ano kasi? Silent!
Tapos sabi ng lalaki sabi niya, ano yun, ang baho, amoy stone. Tapos naman ako. Parang inaisip.
Paano nakita ko sa camera? Paano nakita ko sa camera? Ganon!
What's one good thing that happened to you in your whole entire life? Don't lie.
He Mike.
Who?
Ang manok o itlog? Isa klasikong tanong. Manok! Kung nasan man kayo, dyan na lang kayo. When is the last time that you were in Philippines? October 1999.
That's a long time. Too long.
I can still remember
What?
when I was
Name one Filipino dish you enjoy the most.
Putol at dinuguan.
I said one.
Putol dinuguan.
Okay. Why?
Kasi may puto pala dito. Yeah, there it goes. Can you speak Tagalog? And if so, say a phrase or two. Oo naman, kanina pa ako Tagalog ng Tagalog eh. No, which part of the Philippines are you from? Manila. Who is your Filipino celebrity crush? John Krabs. And why? Huh. Oops. Right.